beautiful. Look at the place. ADL Sky Villa. Beautiful viewpoint from this resort. Wow, look at it. You have a 3 swimming pool, 2 adult swimming pool, 1 kid swimming pool. The view was fantastic. Look at it. Breathtaking views. Let's go down. Wow, nice sitting area with the view deck. Look at it. It's a beautiful sitting area. Nice view. Probably in the night with the lighting, it's going to be fantastic. Look at this. You're sitting over here, the background view. Wow. That is the parking area. Okay, first we go to the level down, the 3rd level, or you can say 1st level. Simply have a viewpoint. A lot of rice field over there. Yeah, look at that. How it look like. I can say it's pretty much maintained very nicely. Wow, children's playing area, very nicely built. We have swing. Yes, I don't know, it's only was. I hope it will hold it. Woo-hoo. Nice. Nice. Okay, for children's. Wow. Beautiful. Hulk. Overall, I love it. Let's go to the level 2. You have plenty of photo shoots available. Look at here. You can take a lot of photo shoots here. And from there, the entrance, that is a reception. Look at this. The signboard. Beautiful. Wow, today is Father's Day. I didn't know that. Today is Father's Day. Okay, good to know. Nice. Hello po.
Ôi, không nha, lấy cái nào?
Oh, hello po.
Wait.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
So, that is the kids swimming pool. Right there.
Come and swim with us.
Yeah. So, from India. Okay. So, this is adult swimming pool. Look at the, I think it's 5 feet. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel will be awesome. Thank you. I've been there, but Palawan is better than Boracay. Boracay is too many people. I hate it. I will come back. Just give me a minute. This is the second level. I have a lot of cottage, plenty of cottage. Celebrating. Philippines famous for karaoke. Boys. Boys. It's nice, clean. Let's go for level 3. Hello. 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 Here you can stay overnight. I think it's 200 pesos per overnight here. Looks nice cottage on the top. And the steps over there you can go up. Yeah, do it. Hello. Hi.
Hi, boy. Hello, what's up?
Good. They are very friendly. Hello. Today is the Father's Day, so everybody's here celebrating Father's Day. That's good news. Okay, so we reached the end. So that is the reception over there. Sir, right now it's almost like 1:30. Everybody celebrating Father's Day. See, all the Father's Day over here. Woo! Everybody over here. Yeah. For the swimming pool, you need to pay 150 for the adult for the swimming pool. Seriously nice. For the kids, 120 pesos. So it's really nice. You have a 3 swimming pool. It can hold more than 200 people. Seriously, it's nice. I highly recommend this place. Okay, let's jump in the water. Look at it. It's not clear, but this is look like magic. I think so many people over here. Wow, it's 5 feet. Look at that. This is warm. This is warm. Yeah. One thing about the Philippines, wherever you go, they invite you, they ask you for eat the food over there. Very friendly country. Look, Father's Day, cheers with his family over here. See, everybody is friendly. Father's Day. This one is what?
Squash.
Squash.
Okoy.
That made with pumpkin. Nice. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Bye bye. Mwah.